What's up YouTube? Welcome to another DIY project. Just want to share with you really quick couple tips about the Audi's MMI system. In this particular case I have Audi Q7, it's 2011 I think. So if you start your car on a panel, your panel is lighting up this MMI control system and your screen turns on and goes back off, or no, even turn it on. The first thing to check is gonna be this control panel that's under this, so it's easy to replace. You just remove that. On eBay it costs like $25 probably, but on this car you can see all this mess. I checked each module, all the fuses, and did a diagnostic, but still wasn't working. So the way to check if your fiber optic connection is good, you need to get this kind of a loop that you can bypass each module from the front to the back to check which one is bad. So this is what I did, and in my case that was showing when I bypassed the amplifier, my screen turns on but there was no sound, so I thought my amp is bad. So I get a new amp, but when you get in from the internet or somewhere on eBay, you need to remove the component protection, so you need to have some specific software that you can do that. Probably you don't have that, but after I was trying to remove that, I still couldn't connect to new module. My issue was just one fuse that was missing right here. I'll show you. So that fuse gonna be for the amplifier. So this middle row, I have 3 fuses, but I should have 4. The reason why that happened, why I did all the work and turned down the car, move all the panels, because this car from the auction, and I just checked the fuses, all the fuses was fine, but one was missing. So when you buy in a car as is, it can be anything. So you better check the fuses first and see if in those blank spots, like right here, there's some blank spots right there, but most of them, they don't have any connection over there. But this one had some connection. So when you check in all the fuses before you buy any parts or amplifier or something else, check all the fuses and check all those blank spots if you bought a car as is. If you had a car for some time, so you know the fuse is blowing. So if you have any issues with the MMI, check all the fuses, make sure they're good before you buy a part. Also, to figure out which module is bad, like I said, you can buy that loop and check from the front to the back, but the easiest part to get, it's in a trunk. So you remove this panel and it's gonna be like 3 modules here, I think. They all on the back they all have a fiber optic connections that light should go through. If you put the loop right here, you should have a light in the next one and you see which one is bad. Also about the MMI, most of the time why your screen can be black, because of this circuit board under this panel. You can spill the drinks or something like that and it just stop working. Some of the buttons stuck. If it's not lining up, it can be this, but if one of the modules is bad, also your screen not gonna work. So guys, I put that fuse back and connected my amplifier, and let's see if it's gonna work.
Here, we jumped over the rail.
I already hear there's working, so my screen is up and
What was going through?
I have a sound. So for me that was an easy fix, but for you it's possibly can be, just because if you have that lone fuse, just one here on the back, and there's a couple more on the dash on the both sides that you need to check, but check this one first. It's maybe your case. So guys, the point of this video, do first things first. Check those fuses and check all those blank spots if you don't want to do all that work. And now I need to put everything back together. So, but it just happened when you buy a car as is and you don't know who owns it, so that's why I need to do that job. So I hope that was helpful. Thank you for watching. Hit that like and I'll see you in the next video.